Once I learned this simple quote, I could not stop saying it to myself because it has helped me so much to get better, to feel more positive about everything that happens in my life. And that quote, that is so important to me, and one of my favorite quotes, sayings, things of all time, is everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. There's a reason for everything. And just having that mindset has allowed me to learn so much stuff about what has happened in my life. There's a reason why this isn't working out and why this is. Like, for example, right now, it's a little cold out. It's windy. It's not the most ideal weather to be outside, sitting here, trying to come up with things to say to you so you can do something in your life. But I believe it's like this for a reason. So it makes me more mentally tough to have the discipline to come here and talk to you right now. So I am gaining something from it being cold and windy. And I believe there's still sunlight for a reason. So it's not that miserable. It's just a little challenging for me to actually talk to you right now. But that's it. When you apply those kind of meanings for everything. Like another example, if I lose a soccer game, there's a reason why I lost. Maybe I didn't communicate with my teammates enough. Maybe I wasn't that skilled with the ball. Maybe I just should have executed on a goal. And then I have something to work towards. And then there's a reason I won because I did more of that. Everything just starts making more sense. Maybe there's a reason why I'm not dating someone right now. Maybe there's a reason why this thing isn't working out for me. Maybe there's a reason why this is happening, why I'm not at this level yet, you know? All the stress, worrying, overthinking about things that are gonna happen in the future, how you're like right now, it's all removed. Once you realize everything happens for a reason. There's a reason why I'm in this exact moment right now. There's a reason why this video came up to you and why you're watching it. Anytime that you're unsure, you're confused, there's a rough point in your life. And even when it's good, when it's going great, just know, keep telling yourself, everything happens for a reason. God has a plan for you, or life has a plan for you. And you're in this exact position because something is waiting for you in the future. And you will feel better. Like, there's so many weird coincidences that, this had to just have happened for a reason. Like, I see someone at this one place and I get to talk to them. As I'm doing this, I see this thing, like these weird moments where it's like, oh, that's cool. Like, when I did this, I saw this happen. All those little weird moments happen for a reason. And once you start learning, taking lessons out of those moments, you start developing a lot more. So, hope you can think about this. Peace.